Dear Pilipinas, it's the 26th of January and today we're celebrating Australia Day. And the weather? It's sweltering 40 degrees Celsius. Ramdam na ramdam ko ang climate change at ramdam na ramdam ko rin ang pagbubukas ng aking pores. Ito na nga raw ang hottest Australia Day ever. At dahil dito, nangangambang magkaroon pa ng bushfire sa iba't ibang parte ng bansa. Madalas nakadepende ang activities ng mga tao rito sa kung ano ang weather for that day or week. Hey Siri, what's the weather tomorrow?
Expect some clear skies tomorrow. The high temperature will be 43 degrees and low will be 22.
Importante rin ang pag-check sa UV index. Mas mataas ang UV index, mas harmful sa skin. Kaya nga dito, they encourage you to be sun smart, practicing the 5 S's. Slip on protective clothing to cover your skin, o gumamit ng long sleeves and pants for better coverage. Second, slap on sunscreen with SPF of 50 or higher. And remember to reapply every 2 hours. Third, slap on a hat to protect your face, neck, and ears. Fourth, seek shade, lalo na from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. kung saan mataas talaga ang UV radiation. And lastly, slide on sunglasses to protect your eyes from UV damage. Weather like this makes me miss home. Meanwhile, in Baguio, it's just 14 degrees Celsius. So ang plan today, lumabas ng maaga para makapag-exercise pa. P.S. Inom ka ng maraming tubig, huwag puro sunmig. Happy Australia Day. Love, Ate.